Are you looking for the best free video editor? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Tech Util. Today in this video, let us look at the best top 5 free video editing softwares which are available to all platforms. That is, all these 5 softwares that we are discussing in this video can be installed on Windows, Mac and Linux. From all these softwares, we can export high quality videos. And all these softwares have many useful features. And mainly when you export a video, there is no watermark. Even in this video, we'll be discussing about pros and cons of these softwares. But before getting into the video, please subscribe to the channel TechUtil for amazing videos and hit the like button if you enjoy the video. Without any further ado, let's jump into the video. The video editor on number 5 is Blender. In very simple words, Blender is a free and open source 3D creation computer graphics suite. The tool is built with the combined effects of artists, students, scientists, animators, visual experts, game artists and other professionals around the world. This is a great software which is used for creating animated films, arts, 3D printed models, visual effects, video games, and 3D applications. The features of the tool are amazing. Blender comes with a built-in video sequence editor, allows you to perform basic actions like video cuts and splicing, as well as more complex tasks like video masking or color grading. The video editor includes up to 32 slots for adding videos, images, audio, scenes, masks, and effects. The video editor on number 4 is OpenShot. OpenShot, created by an experienced developer Jonathan Thomas, was launched in 2008 for Linux. Since the release of version 2.0.6 in 2016, it has branched out to Windows and Mac. OpenShot is an open source video editor. OpenShot is best for small businesses and startups on the budget as they are totally free and fully featured like paid tools. And coming to the pros of the OpenShot, it has many best features like 3D titles. It has a pro feature, curve-based time mapping. You can import and edit as many tracks as you need for videos, audios, text, and more. Easy to use, frequent updates, multilingual. The video editor supports 70 plus languages, generally covering users from all over the world. Coming to the cons of OpenShot, unstable performance. If you go to its user community, you will find that the most frequently reported issue is freezing, lagging, and set and quit, but it works well in Linux. Limited editing features. Although OpenShot has done it best in easy and quick edits, it might not meet semi-pros or pros editing needs due to its inadequate functionality. Less powerful hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration can be activated only when you edit MP4 or H.264 videos. The interface still looks like the one 10 years ago. The video editor on number 3 is Shortcut. Shortcut is a popular video editing application since 2004, written by two co-founders of MLT. Firstly by Charlie Yates and then rewritten by Dan Denny. Dan Denny is one of the biggest selling points for Shortcut. Being force free and open source software, Shortcut is completely free for anyone to use. By completely free it means no watermark in your output file, no need to sign up and log in, no premium version waiting for you to pay. Shortcut is quite good, and because of constant updates, it's becoming more and more fully featured and stable. That's why we put it on the list of top free video editing software. Pros of Shortcut video editor: high quality input export support, a good set of editing features, standard transitions between clips, export single frame as image, correct fisheye effects, chroma key, stabilization, make overlays, blurring filters, edit friendly format support, good text support. Shortcut is constantly updated all the time. Cons of Shortcut video editor: despite all advantages listed above, Shortcut is far from a perfect free video editor. The main problem that need to be fixed or improved are as follows. The interface is not that good, or rather it is a little bit confusing when you use it for the first time. There is no stock music available, and Shortcut does not support uploading external subtitle files in SRT or SUV. No export presets for devices. Shortcut allows you to control your export settings in resolution, frame rate, aspect ratio, and even GOP and B frames. And the number 2 video editor is HitFilm Express. HitFilm Express uses a sleek video editing method, providing tools to create effects like Star Wars or Westworld, since it includes over 400 visual effects and presets. Speaking of its visual effects, HitFilm Express undoubtedly beats any video editing tool out there on the market. which is also the reason why we name it the best free video editing software for VFX movies. It is suitable for beginners, film students, and self-media people. Pros of Hit Film Express: numerous VFX tools, but not as many as the Pro version. No need to install many other plugins for post editing and production since it has a lot of such things. No hash requirements for exporting format, 2D and 3D compositing. Cons of HitFilm Express: only runs on 64-bit Windows and Mac operating system. Compared to decoding H.264 encoded file, decoding Cineform and ProRes files seems slower. Not support .mov files directly and need help from QuickTime. Crashing happens occasionally, especially conflicting with Dell backup and recovery. However, the developers are working on it. And finally, the number one video editor is Resolve. DaVinci Resolve, the most robust color grading software for video editing. Well, it's definitely the tip of sword in the film industry without any doubt in terms of color correction and stylizing for a specific look. The real benefit that Resolve has is that has broad color correction, video cutting and trimming, apply for visual effects and transition, sound mixing and more in the same software tool, which allows editors, colorists, VFX producers and sound designers to work on the same project simultaneously. Pros of DaVinci Resolve: the user interface is modern and sleek. There are a lot of features to make use of. The product is free. Output videos will not be watermarked. Lifetime free upgrade. Even the free version of DaVinci Resolve is, has lifetime free upgrade. It packs with a wide range of capabilities such as editing, constructing visual effects, mixing audio, etc. Cons of Resolve: H.265 codec is not available to the free version of DaVinci Resolve. It lacks of hardware encoding and some effect inspector. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.